Hi boys and girls, today we're gonna introduce Power's Beast. It comes with Ultra Loco, Megalodon, Dragon, and Horsepower. Bronze, Silver, Gold, and Brown.
Okay, so we are going to be unboxing them, right, Kawa?
Yep. And my mom calls them mud wheels.
Yes. To me, they look like they have mud wheels. Okay. So we're gonna start with Ultra Loco.
Which I'm just doing to
with wheels.
Let's see. Hold on, we gotta show it to their fans.
Wheels.
So these are the Power Beast.
That's a bronze wheel.
Loco.
Next one up is Megalodon, which has the silver wheels.
Third wheels.
You got.
One of those. No.
Then we have Megalodon.
Which
With
used
the
to be
silver
gray, but now
wheels.
it's blue.
Yeah, we'll show them. Wow.
Mine, give me Megalodon.
Okay.
He got ice wheels.
Look, the Power Beasts are kind of like bigger than these two.
They
most of the
are.
time.
They're bigger.
See how
Like
they
the Hot Wheels.
Mm-hmm.
The
And
next one up is Dragon with the gold
tires.
wheels.
Dragon has gold wheels. Hold on, let's show them to our fans. So that's Dragon.
Mine, give me
Whoa.
dragon, mine. Give me dragon.
Whoa.
Stop asking. She's gonna.
That's okay. I'll give it to you.
And the
And
last,
dragon got those wheels.
and the last one is
Power.
Horsepower.
Horsepower. Okay, let's the power horse out.
Horsepower.
Not power, horsepower.
That's okay.
Kind of.
Having a hard time there, Logan?
Uh-huh. I think I have to turn him.
Got it?
Got horsepower. Those
And
are
now
all
we
the
have-
power bases.
Wait. Horsepower.
But I can have them.
Oh, that's pretty
My
cool.
give
Here,
me
go on.
power horse, Mom.
All right, go on. There you go.
Thanks.
Now what should we do?
Wow.
See friends and faster.
Power beast.
And he jumps and flips.
He jumps and flips.
And he says, "Nay," because of course he's
Nay.
Get it?
Yay.
Of course he's a horse.
And then
Get it? That
I get it.
rhymes.
And then we can make an obstacle course. Wait. Gravedigger was gonna go through it. And Gravedigger can go through the cones. Psh,
What do you even?
maneuver.
Wait, I'm gonna do it. Go on.
All right, boys and girls, thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Wow.
We'll be making a ramp and competition later, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Jump.